Boost your English.
From English Podcast with John.
Hey friends, how are you feeling today? We're so happy you're here at English Podcast with John. Today, we'll talk about a simple English story about a Black Friday adventure, and we'll guide you step by step so you can start using English confidently in your daily life. Hello, my friend. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thank you. I am very happy to be here. How about you?
I am great. It feels like a really good day for learning some English.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
And we are here to help make it fun and, easy.
Exactly. We will go slowly. So are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, then, let's begin. So, today we will talk about an adventure.
An adventure. That sounds exciting.
It is. An adventure is an exciting experience, something new.
Right. Something that makes you feel alive.
Yes. So, let's practice that word. It's a good one. Please repeat after me. Adventure.
Take your time with the sound.
Let's try it one more time. Adventure.
Very good.
Now, sometimes an adventure can happen in a place you don't expect.
Oh, like a store.
Exactly like a store. Sometimes just going shopping can be a real adventure.
I agree. Especially when it's very busy.
That's right. And our adventure today is about a very busy shopping day.
And that day is called?
Black Friday. We will talk about Black Friday.
Yes. A very famous day for shopping.
It is. It's a huge shopping day, especially in the United States. It happens in November.
The day after a holiday called Thanksgiving.
Yes. And on this day, many stores have very low prices. Big discounts.
Which means things cost less money. So many people go out to buy things.
They do. It gets very exciting, but also very crowded.
Very crowded, both in the stores and online, too.
Yes, online shopping is a big part of it now. Okay, so now let's practice the important words for our story.
Listen carefully and repeat.
We will say each word 2 times. Slowly. The first word is the one we already learned. Say, adventure.
Good.
One more time. Say, adventure.
Nice and clear.
Okay, the next word is about what we do in the stores. Say, shopping. Let's do it again. Say, shopping.
That's the one. Shopping is when you buy things.
And finally, the name of this special day. Say, Black Friday.
Good.
Again, please say Black Friday.
Excellent.
Very, very good. Your speaking is clear.
It really is. Practice helps so much.
It does. Okay, now for a simple question. I want you to think about your answer.
And you can say your answer out loud.
The question is, do you like to shop?
A good question. Some people love it, some people don't.
Right, so you can answer, yes, I like to shop.
Try saying that. Yes, I like to shop.
Or maybe you don't. You can answer, no, I do not like to shop.
Say it now. No, I do not like to shop.
Whatever your answer is, just practicing is what's important.
That's the key.
Okay, let's move on. We need some important phrases for our shopping adventure.
Yeah, some useful expressions.
The first word we need is very important for Black Friday. The word is sale.
S-A-L-E.
Sale. A sale means the price of something is lower. It's cheaper than normal.
So you save money. And saving money is always good.
It certainly is. When you see a sign that says sale, it means you can get a good discount.
A discount.
Right.
A lower price.
Okay, now for our first key expression. This is what you say when you want something.
When you want to buy something.
Exactly. The expression is, I want to buy.
Very useful phrase.
It is. It tells people what you are looking for in the store. Let's practice it.
Listen and repeat.
I want to buy.
Good.
Let's say it again slowly. I want to buy.
Excellent.
Now, let's put it in a full sentence. Imagine it's Black Friday, and you are looking for a new television.
A popular item on Black Friday.
Very popular. So you would say, repeat after me, I want to buy a new television.
Try to say the whole sentence.
Again, I want to buy a new television.
That's great.
Now, think for a moment. What is something you want to buy?
It could be anything. A new coat, a book, a game.
Yes. Now, say the sentence with your item. We will leave a space for you. Repeat. I want to buy a new.
Good.
One more time. Say it loud and clear. I want to buy a new.
Wonderful. You are using English to talk about your life. That is the goal.
It is. Okay, expression number 2. This one is maybe the most important for shopping.
I think I know what it is.
It's how you ask about the cost. The phrase is, what is the price?
Ah, yes. The price. How much money it costs.
Right. You need to know the price before you buy something. So let's practice this question.
Listen carefully to the sound.
Repeat. What is the price?
Good.
Let's try that one more time. What is the price?
Very clear.
Now, if you want to be a little more polite, you can add more to the question.
Which is always a good idea.
It is. For example, you can point to an item and ask, repeat after me, excuse me, what is the price of this phone?
A great example.
Let's say that full question one more time. Excuse me, what is the price of this phone?
You're doing great. Keep practicing.
Okay. And our third expression for today. This is what you say when you are happy with the price.
When you think you are saving a lot of money.
Precisely. You say, it is a great deal.
A deal. That means a good price. A good agreement.
Yes. A great deal means the price is, well, it's wonderful. Very, very good.
You feel like you won.
You do. So let's practice saying it. Repeat. It is a great deal. Again, please. It is a great deal.
Very good.
Now let's try to say it with some feeling. Imagine you found a television for half price. You would feel excited.
Oh, yes. Very excited.
So you would say it like this. Repeat. It is a great deal.
Good. Feel the happiness in your voice?
Let's try it one more time with that happy feeling. It is a great deal.
Fantastic.
Great work. So remember those three. I want to buy. What is the price? And it is a great deal.
Very useful phrases for your shopping adventure.
They are. Now let's practice using them with some simple questions and answers.
This is great for making your brain think in English.
It is. So I will ask a question. I want you to listen and then repeat the answer that is true for you.
Or you can just practice both answers.
That's a great idea.
Yeah.
Practice both. Okay, question 1. Imagine it is after Black Friday, I ask you. Did you go to the store?
Did you go? Notice the word did. It means we were talking about the past.
Right. So if your answer is yes, you went to the store, you will repeat this sentence. Yes, I went to the store.
Say it now.
Yes, I went to the store.
Good.
And if you did not go, if you stayed home, you will repeat the sentence. No, I stayed home.
Give it a try.
No, I stayed home.
Excellent. Simple answers are the best way to start.
Okay, next question. This one is about the sale, I ask. Is the sale big?
Meaning, are the discounts large? Do you save a lot of money?
Yes. So, if the sale is very big, you will repeat the sentence. Yes, the sale is big.
Say now.
Yes, the sale is big.
Good job.
And if the sale is not very impressive, you can say, no, it is a small sale.
Let's hear you say it.
No, it is a small sale.
Perfect.
You're doing so well. Let's try just one more question for this practice.
Okay, I'm listening.
This question is about buying something, I ask. Did you buy a new coat?
Again, notice the past tense word did.
Yes. And the answer will use the past tense of buy, which is bought.
Right. Bought.
So if you bought a coat, you will repeat this sentence. Yes, I bought a new coat.
Try that one.
Yes, I bought a new coat.
Good.
And if you did not buy one, you will say, no, I did not buy a coat.
Let's hear it.
No, I did not buy a coat.
This is such good practice. Hearing the questions and saying the answers really helps the language stick in your mind.
It really does. It trains your mouth and your brain to work together in English.
It's like exercise for your language skills.
Exactly. Okay, now let's talk about something a little different. A cultural tip.
Ah, this is important. Knowing the culture helps you use the language better.
It does. We're going to talk about how people act and how they speak during a busy time like Black Friday.
How to have a good shopping adventure.
Yes. Now, because Black Friday is so busy and exciting, you will notice that people in English-speaking countries, they might speak very fast.
Right. When people are excited or in a hurry, their words can come out quickly.
It's true. But even when things are rushed, it is so important to be polite.
Yes. Always, always be polite.
It makes everything better. So when you need to ask for help from someone who works in the store, you should always start with 2 simple words.
And those words are,
Excuse me?
yes, excuse me.
Yeah.
So important.
It's a polite way to get someone's attention. It means, sorry to interrupt you, but I have a question.
It works every time.
It does. Let's practice using it. Imagine you can't find the sales. You see a store employee. You walk up and say, repeat after me. Excuse me, where are the sales?
Good, very polite.
Let's say it one more time. Excuse me, where are the sales?
Excellent.
And we can use it for other things too. If you are in a crowd and you accidentally bump into someone.
Which can happen when it's busy.
Yes! You should immediately turn and say, with a soft voice, excuse me.
Let's practice that. Just the 2 words.
Excuse me.
Good.
One more time. Excuse me.
That simple phrase can prevent so many problems. Being polite is a key part of communication.
It's a key part of having a good adventure.
I agree completely.
Okay, we are now at the final part of our session for today.
It's time for you to create your own sentences.
That's right. We will use all the words and phrases we learned today.
You can say your sentences out loud, or you can write them in a notebook.
Both are excellent practice. Okay, step 1. First, think about one thing you really want to buy.
It can be real or imaginary. A new car, a new pencil, anything is fine.
Okay. Do you have your item? Good. Now, for sentence 1, use our phrase, I want to buy.
Say the full sentence with your item.
For example, if I wanted a book, I would say, I want to buy a new book. Now it's your turn. Say your sentence out loud.
Take your time.
Let's repeat your full sentence one more time. Make it clear.
You're doing great.
Okay, step 2. Let's make a second sentence. The sentence will be about the price or the sale.
Was it a good deal?
Yes. Use the words sale or price or our phrase great deal.
You have many choices.
You could say the price is very low, or I found it at a big sale, or my favorite.
It was a great deal.
Yes. So choose one of those and say your second sentence now.
Say it out loud.
Let's repeat that second sentence one more time.
This is wonderful practice. You're building your own story.
You are. And that brings us to step 3, our final sentence.
Sentence number 3.
For this sentence, I want you to use our very first word, adventure.
Describe your shopping trip.
Yes. Was it an adventure? For example, you could say, my shopping was a fun adventure.
Or maybe not.
Right, maybe it was difficult. You could say, the shopping was not an adventure.
Both are correct sentences.
So think about it and say your third sentence now.
Wonderful.
Let's say it one last time, your third sentence.
You did it. 3 complete sentences in English.
You did. And we really hope that preparing for this simple story helps you feel more confident.
Every word you learn, every sentence you make is a step forward.
It is. Remember the main words. Adventure, shopping, sale, and price.
And the main phrases, too.
Yes, they will help you a lot. And that brings us to the end. Thank you so much for joining us today for this English learning session.
We had a great time practicing with you.
We did. We encourage you to maybe comment below this video.
Yes, tell us your sentences.
What did you want to buy on Black Friday? Write your 3 sentences for us to see.
We would love to read them.
And please remember to practice your English a little bit every day.
Listening helps, and speaking helps even more, even if you were just speaking to yourself.
That's right. You can listen to this lesson again tomorrow. Repetition is, well, it's the key to learning.
It truly is.
We will be back very soon with more practice for you.
We look forward to it.
And hey, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share if you found this session useful.
It helps other learners find us.
It does. Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful and productive day.
Goodbye. We hope to see you next time.
Goodbye, my friend.